Hello, my name is Anjalna Fatma. Here I am showing my individual project of A3. Let me share you my screen with you. This is the project of A3 PPTs PowerPoint. Australian Manufacturing Company Database System. Project background: AMC business needs to manage stores, employees, products, suppliers, patrons, and orders. Two tools are used: ERD creation, database implementation. ERD overview and many-to-many relationship. Entities in ERD: store, department, employee, supplier, order. Many-to-many example: relationship from supplier to the product. Solution: introduce supplier product in intermediary table. Here is the showing relationship between inventory id, store id, product, and it is related to the store related to the department related to the employee, and payslip. Store is basically one to one, is orders and contact details. And then supply is related to one to many product. And then order table is related to many order line items and patron. In inventory, which is related to store, department, employee, and payslip. Inventory, store ID, PID, quantity, availability, quantity ordered. Store name, address ID, and contact ID. Store is linked to the one to may department title, department superior ID, phone number, email, and then employee name, first name, last name, ATFN, joining date, address, salary, department, and then payslip, employed pay ID, housework, gross pay, and store ID. Then store is one to many address and contact details. In address, street number, suburb, postcode, contact details, mobile number, and email. And then supplier and the product one to many: name, email, contact number, and product name, price, brand, and description. Order table: patron and order line items. First name, last name, email, address. Order table basically patron ID, store ID, order detail. And in order line items, we write order ID, order date, and product name. One to many relationship: store employee and department to the employee. Table: store ID, store name, address, contact ID. Employee ID, first name, last name, department ID, and store ID. Here is a store table: store ID, name, contact ID, and address. And here is first name, employee, last name, address, mobile number, email, TFN, store ID, department ID. List of all products below 100. Query: select contact first name, last name as customer name, and then the mobile name, address from patron, ordered by patron ID. Challenges faced. Here is basically we select the contact first name and last name as a customer ID name, then mobile number, address from the patron, ordered by patron ID. Challenges faced: resolving many to many relationships supplier to the product, maintaining referential integrity in PostgreSQL, learning gained practical experience in normalization, ERD design, and SQL query optimization. Future work: implement a web based UI to manage the database. Acknowledgements: thank you to my group members for their collaboration. And here is a report in Word. Personal report on AMC database management. Australian manufacturing company provide to opportunity to work to ERD design database. And here is written all report to the PPTs. Design ERD was to communicate the relationship between the key entities of the database. One of the problem to resolve was many to many relationship and supplier to the product table. This was solved through the intermediary tables, separate product construction, the relationship between. Normalization involves the eliminate redundancy in employee table. For example, normalization entailed separating the table to separate contact, address details, and in SQL queries, including one of for product under 100, which necessitated query performance optimization efficiency, particularly for larger data populations. And here I'm looking for utilizing the knowledge gained in these projects. Thank you very much.